This is elevator bank A at the Morrow Park City Apartments. In Morrow Park, Bloomfield, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. It's this elevator. These are Schindler 400AE elevators with standard HT fixtures. Go down to garage 2. Here we go down. These things are brand new from 2014. Here at garage 2. Opens up on the rear door. Up to 6. I was hoping for 5,500, but this place is a tiny bit older than Southside Work City Apartments, which is by the same company, so I guess these are 400AE rather than 5,500. Here we are at parking level 6. Why does it say P6? That's weird. Here we're at level 6. I think the indicator is a little bit messed up for 5 and 6. Go back down to 1. ADA phone, newer elevators. Pretty basic stainless steel cab. Car number 2. Case fire by these elevators, 5 bars operation. Your HT fixtures. Here back at 1. Floor 1. There goes an exit.